Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the account where you want two-step verification. Install Google Authenticator on your phone, then open the site's two-step setup screen. Make sure your phone's clock is synced to network time. This prevents code mismatches. Once done, choose the option to use an authenticator app rather than text messages. You do this now to generate a QR code or secret key. This first action links the account to your device and creates time-based one-time passwords. You now add the account inside the app. Tap the plus sign and scan the QR code shown on the website. If your camera won't work, enter the setup key manually. Once the app shows a 6-digit code, type that code into the site's verification field so the server and app sync. Make sure to label the account clearly in the app so you don't mix up accounts later. After verification, the site will confirm that the authenticator is active for your login. Finish by saving backup codes the site provides. Write them down or store them in a password manager so you can regain access if you lose your phone. Then test the setup. Sign out, sign in, and when prompted, enter the current 6-digit code from the app. If the code is rejected, make sure your phone's clock is synced. If that doesn't help, remove and re-add the account using the secret key. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.